2018 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, cargo net, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.